To solve this equation, that means we want to get m by itself. I want to get rid of a negative 5/12. I also want to get rid of that 6. To get rid of this negative 5/12, it's held there by addition or subtraction, so the opposite operation is achieved by simply pairing it with the 5/12 with the opposite sign. If I put a positive 5/12 on one side of the equal sign, I have to put a positive 5/12 on the other side of the equal sign. Once I've done that, I'll simply draw a line underneath my equation. I'm going to slide this up and take a look at what's left. M over 6, nothing has happened there, so I'll simply bring down m over 6. Negative 5/12, positive 5/12, that gives me a 0. I don't have to write it. On the other side of the equal sign, I have 1 plus 5/12. There's a number of ways to show this happening, but something rather convenient. If you're adding a whole number and a fraction, you simply put them together and it gives you 1 and 5/12. So to add 1 and 5/12, you just put them together, it gives you 1 and 5/12. I'm going to slide this up again. Alright, now I want to get rid of the 6. It's going to give me a little bit of a problem though. To get rid of that 6, it's held there by division. That means I'm going to use multiplication to get rid of it. When I multiply by 6 on this side, that'll be very easy, but when I try to multiply by 6 over here, I really can't do that with a mixed number. So I'm going to turn this into an improper fraction so it's easy to multiply by a 6. Alright, turn it into an improper fraction. 12 times 1 is 12, plus 5 is 17 over 12. So all I did was change 1 and 5/12 to an improper fraction. Whoops, need a black marker here. And this part stays the same, m over 6. Alright, I want to get rid of that 6. If I can do that, I'll have m all by itself. 6 is held there by division. The opposite operation is multiplication. To indicate multiplication, I'll simply put parentheses with the 6 outside the parentheses. You always have to do the same thing on each side of the equation. This 6 is really 6 over 1, if it helps you to see it that way. Basically, if I have a fraction, I want a fraction next to it. Alright, so now these 6's cancel. 6 goes into 6 once, 6 goes into 6 once. So you have 1m, or we can just write m. On the other side of the equal sign, we can reduce before multiplying. 6 goes into 6 once. 6 goes into 12 twice. So you have 17 over 2. This is an improper fraction, but it can't be reduced. I could write it as a mixed number. I'm perfectly happy with the answer in that form.